Hi friends, welcome to Rana's recipe. Today in our kitchen we will make a basic masala blend. So this is entirely unique Indian recipe which is applicable in all vegetables and curry cooking. So this recipe is nothing but Madras curry powder. Okay, let's join and see. Coriander seeds 3 spoons, cumin seeds 3 spoons, black pepper powder or corn 2 spoons, fennel seeds 2 spoons, black mustard seeds 1 spoon, cinnamon sticks 2 number, bay leaf 4 number, fenugreek seeds 1 and a half spoon, star anise 4 number, curry leaf 10 to 15 number. Next, green cardamom and black cardamom few pieces. Next, dried red chilli 4 to 5 number. Okay, next the last turmeric powder 1 spoon. An optional Kashmiri red chilli powder half spoon. So these are all the required ingredients to make Madras curry powder. So let's start making the curry. Keep a pan in fire and make sure it is hot enough to dry roast. Add coriander seeds and gradually use a wooden spoon and roast it. After roasting, if you are comfortable, you can toss the coriander seeds and make sure it is evenly roasted. Next, you add the cumin seeds and toss gradually in a medium flame to release all the aroma of the spices. After you roast, you have to keep in a flat plate and make sure it is cooled down. Okay, now it is almost ready. Okay, in this stage you can add optional the black peppercorns, or if you are not comfortable you can do it one by one. Okay, so dry roast all the three ingredients simultaneously. Now it is almost roasted. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, and I keep a flat plate and I pour in that flat plate gradually and make sure it is spreaded. So it is cooling very fast. Now use a tissue paper and clean the sides of the pan. Now you can add the next ingredient, which is fennel seeds, and make sure it is evenly spreaded out. After a few seconds you can add black mustard seeds and make sure the mustard seeds and fennel are simultaneously getting roasted, and once the black mustard seeds crackle, you have to make sure both the fennel seeds and mustard are roasted. Actually, this Madras curry powder requires each and every ingredients should be roasted separately, and some ingredients need to be roasted together to release the fantastic flavor. Now it is almost ready. Just 5 more seconds. The mustards, each and individual pieces will get crackled. Now it is time to remove from the pan and we will add it to the plate. It's done. You can see the color change. Okay, Next we are gonna add whole garam masala, that is cinnamon sticks, your bay leaf, your green and black cardamom, and star anise. So these are all whole garam masala, whole spices which we will be using for our biryanis and pulaus. Okay, you can use a wooden spatula to gradually roast it. Now I can feel the aroma of the spices. Then you can add it to the same plate and make sure it is flattened and all the spices need to be cooled down. Next we will add fenugreek seeds, methi seeds, and within 10 to 15 seconds it will roast because of the carryover cooking. So this time you can reduce the flame and your fenugreek seeds are ready. Now in the same pan you will add dried red chilies and curry leaf. Okay, now you can turn off the fire, and in the pan with this residual heat it will get dry roasted. At this stage we no need any flame. It is almost done. You can see the color changes and the curry leaf became more crisp. Now you have to spread it evenly and make sure each and every ingredients are cooled down before you make it into a fine powder, because you have to wait until it is cooled down. If not, it will release the volatile oil in the mixer blender and your powder will be lumpy. So you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes to cool down, and we will add it to a blender and make it into fine powder. So after few minutes, almost 10 minutes, it is nicely cooled down. I gradually add into small size mixer blender, and to this spice mix I'll add the remaining ingredient, that is turmeric powder 1 spoon and Kashmiri red chili powder half spoon, and I will blend it. After the powder is ready I will show you. So after blending, the powder will be looking like this. So when you're blending, you have to open the lid and mix it nicely, and 2 or 3 times you have to mix and blend it. So your Madras curry powder, one of the fantastic unique spice blend, is ready. Now it is little hot, so you have to put in a plate and spread it nicely and cool it down. After few minutes of cooling, it is ready to be used in various curries and vegetable dishes and in Indian cuisine. So it is ready, Madras curry powder. You can use a small container, airtight container like this, and you have to store it in your dry store cupboard, and you can use for various cooking. Okay, in our channel we are going to use this Madras curry powder in various Indian dishes, and we will enhance your cooking. And if you like this recipe, please try this masala powder and it will increase your cooking to the next level. If you like our recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips, techniques, recipes. Enjoy cooking. Thanks for watching.